I'm not going to experience that. I'm not. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog, my birthday vlog. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with this, but we'll see. The 20th. I woke up. I was trying to work for the first half of the day. I tried. I tried my best. Um, I tried my best. I really did. And then I had a meeting at 12. So yeah, I'm taking myself out. So I usually I usually go out for breakfast every year on my birthday. Like when I was still in uni, I was like, I'm not going to school. There's wethu. But shout out for birthday half day leaves because I'm going to take myself out for brunch. Ke ngoku. And mhle sana, I put this outfit together in like 10 minutes. Struggled a bit with this, but like okusalayo ihlanganile. Um so yeah, I'll show you guys my outfits. Mhlambe mangiphuma, my mirror is very messy, it's very dirty, so I'm not trying to show you guys my dirty mirror. It's very dirty. Ngiyibuka kusona manje. It's very dirty, so I'll show you guys my outfit as I go. I am going to I was stuck between two places, but I decided that the other place I want to go to when I'm going there the full day because they also have a spa there. So I want to go to that place like for a whole day kind of thing. And I can't go for that now. So I'm going to Pantry by Jamili just for a quick brunch and just ndicinge man. So yeah, bye bye. Angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu, angifuni ibhende le vlog, ngifuna nje 2 seconds in and out. And as bands I'll P, I'll try my best. Right? Good. We're about to try a ginger shot, um, which I didn't order. I said no to it, but I'll just have it anyway. It smells so strong, guys. I swear. I'm so scared. Ah! Ah! This is so sour. I better be healthy for the rest of my life. Having pineapple juice. It's so good. So my food just arrived and I'm about to eat. I don't even know if you guys can see me, but as long as you can see parts of me. So it's so huge, and I almost ordered fries because Gawatanda my chips, but it is so huge. I'm so excited to eat. I don't even know how I'm going to eat it. I guess so let's go. Guys, I come back. Xesha lemkile, it's like 25 past 5. I'm about to get ready to go eat dinner. I really did have my brunch quite a bit late because I obviously started a laptop in. So yeah. Um if you remember here, um on this channel, on my Mumulo vlog, I posted a pair of heels and I was unboxing my gifts. I posted a pair of Steve Madden heels with which my uncle and Malmekazi got me. Today I'm putting them to the test. Ningifisela inhlanhla because niyawazi well kuhlale kukhulunywa ngawo kuthiwa he, so I'm only yet to experience that because I've never worn them. So hey, I'm not going to experience that. I'm not. I'm gonna be fine. Anyway, angizoma ngisazogqoka yini i-outfit ebengifuna ukuyigqoka, and that's why I had this color nails because I wanted them to match my outfit. But like nah, because of this weather, like guys, this weather's reminding me of 2023's weather on my birthday. Like yo, ngikaze ngizukubanda nje ngomhla 30 October emhlabeni wonke jikelele. So today's weather is a close contender of that, really. Ayikakafiki kodwa kulela zinga guys, yo hayi kwabanda angifuni ngiqambe amanga. So yeah, let me get right. I don't know, like ngizozama ngakho kusemandleni wami ukuthi nibe khona every step of the way. Some point mina ngikhohlela laphayana say I was journaling and I was like, "Hey, guys, ngimaswabi ngigubha umthwarelo." Anyway, let me dress up and then ndiyodla isidlo sakusihlwa and then I come back and then I sleep. Ngifuna ukuphupha iy'ngelosi. Yeah. They've never left the gift bag, guys. It's that serious. It's that serious. Right, let's go. Yo, will I even be able to walk? Funny. Bye bye, nigga, sobonani, shabu.